We will start creating the app by launching Xcode, then going to File, New Project. And we're going to select Single View App and hit Next. We're going to give the application name and click on Next and create. So as you can see, we have the main storyboard and a view controller. Next thing is we're going to create our file, select Swift file and next. Then we're going to give it a name like custom view. And then we're going to import UI kit. And then we're going to create a class. Let's name it circle view. Its parent class will be a UI view. Then we're going to override the draw function. The draw rect. So everything is set up now. We just need to create a layer. Equal to shape CAShapeLayer. Then we're going to get the bounds of the frame and make it equal to the layer's frame. Next is we're going to get the radius using the width and height, which is we're going to select which is the smaller value. And divided by 2. Next, we're going to get the center point by creating a CG point. So bounds that width divided by 2 and bounds that height divided by 2. Next up is we're going to create a path. It's a bezier path. Which is an arc. And we're going to pass the center point with the radius. Here, we're going to put in the start angle and the end angle. But before that, we must create a function that converts the angle to radian. So let's create that function. Degree or angle is a CG float value and we will return a CG float. So let's type in return angle multiplied by pi divided by 180. And let's go back to our path and put in angle to radian, which is 300 0. We will start at 0, and the end angle is 360 degree. And we will use clockwise as true. Next is we're going to set the layers path to the path that we just created, and CG path, and mask the layer by typing in layer.mask is equal to CLayer. So now we already created a function. It's time to go to our main storyboard. So to test if our custom view works, we're going to add a view here. We're just going to center it horizontally and vertically inside the view. And we're going to change the background image, the background color to, let's say, purple. And we're going to go to the custom class and put in circle view. Now let's try to run if our code works. Sorry if it's taking too long, because my Mac Pro is already 6 years old and above. I have no plan yet of replacing it since it's still working. Okay. So you can see we have this perfect circle. So this kind of custom view is usable in, for example, creating a profile view or profile image inside an app. So what we can do is we're going to add another UI view inside. And we're going to set the constraints. For example, we're going just to give it a value of 2 for all constraints and set up the class. Let's run the app again to take a look. So you can see we have this circle that we can use in our profile. And then let's put in a UI image. Center vertically, horizontally, equal to width, and equal to height. And then we're going to find an image, sample image, and put it here. So this is our image. Let's go back to our storyboard. In our UI image, we will set the value to H and set it to aspect fill. Let's run the app again to see what it will look like. So you can see that we created a circle view that's intended to show a user profile image. I hope this tutorial works for you, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This is PB Lucas again. Thank you for watching.